Hello class 10, good morning. In today's class we are going to discuss programming question number 6. It is ICSE question. It was asked in ICSE 2006. So programming question number 6 is the marks obtained by 50 students in a subject are tabulated as follows. So there are how many students? 50. And it is tabulated as name and marks. Name of the students and his or her marks corresponding. Question is write a program to input the names and marks of the students in the subject. We have to input the name and his marks in the subject. Calculate and display first the subject average marks. The average marks of the class. The subject average marks means the average marks of the class. So the average marks, so the subject average marks of the class will be the total marks in that subject. We have to add the sum of marks of all the students divided by 50 because the class strength is 50. Second, the highest marks in the subject. You have to find out the highest, who scored the highest mark in the subject and the name of the student. And the maximum marks in the subject is 100. So question is clear once again. Question is asking that there are 50 students in the class. We have to input the name and his or her marks of 50 students. Okay. Now find the class average marks in the subject. To find the class average marks, you have to find the total of marks of all the students divided by 50 and find the what is the highest marks in the class and his name to be printed. Now let us begin. Public class marks. We have to declare two array. First array string name new string of 50 size 50. The first array is a string type to store to accept name of 50 student according to question. Then second array is int marks new int 50. This will store the marks of 50 students in the subject. Int I tm total marks equal to 0. Tm for to find the total marks of the class of all the students. Okay, now input the values. For I equal to 0, I less than 50, I plus plus. Loop will run 0 to 49 times. 0 to 49, 50 times. Now first system or println enter name of student. Enter the name of the student. The name I means name 0. First student's name. So name 0 equal to in dot next line. So when you input the name should be stored in the first place in the first index, that is name 0. After that, input the marks. System or println enter marks of the students. The marks the I value is 0. The marks 0 equal to in dot next int. So have you noticed at name 0 place the name is input and the marks 0 place the marks input means first student's name his marks, second student's name his marks. Like this you have to input. Now in the same loop calculate the total marks of the class. So total marks is initialized by 0. So total marks equal to total marks plus marks I means marks 0. Marks I means marks 0. 0 plus marks 0 means first marks is added in the TM total marks. After that we will go for the next I. Next I will be 1. Again it will ask you to enter the name of the second student. So name of the second student will be stored at name 1 place. Name 1 place. Again enter the marks of the students. The marks 1 equal to in the next int, the second marks is entered. Again tm equal to tm plus marks 1. The marks is added into tm. So like this loop will repeat how many times? 0 to 49 times, and 49 times 50 times we have to input the first name and then marks and the array is created and total is calculated of the whole class. Now calculate the average marks. So double am average marks equal to it will be tm. So total marks by 50. Total marks by 50. So we have calculated the average marks. Now system of printer average marks equal to m. The average marks is printed. So first part we have done. Now second part. In the second part it is asking find the highest marks of the class and who got this highest marks. His name must be printed. The highest marks and the name must be printed. So once again, recently I have in last week I have taught you how to find the largest number and the smallest number. Remember how to find the largest number and the smallest number by linear search. The same method will apply. In HM means highest marks equal to mark 0. The first marks is stored in HM. String n equal to null. This n is taken string data type to store the name of the student who has got the highest marks. Now again loop will start for I equal to 0, I less than 50, I plus plus. As usual loop will run for 50 times. If marks I is mark 0 is greater than HM. So whenever the marks is greater than the highest marks, it will replace. So highest marks equal to marks I and n equal to name I. The name will be stored in n. Now close the loop, go for the next I will be next one. Again the second marks is picked up and second marks is compared with HM whether the second marks is greater than highest marks or not. So like this it will go on picking one by one marks. Whenever the next marks will be the highest than the previous one, this HM equal to marks I will be changed, will be replaced, and accordingly the name of that index will be stored in n. Name of that index will be stored in n. So loop will continue, linear search loop, and finally what will happen? Automatically the highest marks will be stored in HM and the name will be stored in n. Then print the highest marks equal to HM and print the name n. So once again, the question bar asks to input the name of 50 students and their marks in the two array. Find the average marks of the class, find the highest marks of the class and print his name. So what we have done, we have declared two arrays, one name, one marks of the 50 size. We have created the loop, input both the values, calculated the total marks of the class in the same loop. Then we got the average marks, total marks divided by 50, print the average marks, then highest marks equal to marks 0, first marks is stored in highest marks, name n is sliced by null. In this loop by linear search we are picking one by one marks and compare with the highest marks. If it is greater than the highest marks will become that marks only, and the name will be the marks I. So after completing the loop, the highest marks is stored in HM, name is stored in n, and once we come out of the loop, print the highest marks and print the name. So this was question number 6, write in practice. Thank you.